Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Back in this video, we are going to touch on chapter 2, which is cell transport. Okay, the very last subtopic in this chapter is cell transport. Basically, we have three main transport. Okay, the first one is passive transport, the second one is active transport, and the third one will be bulk transport. So I'm going to divide the videos into three sub videos. Okay, so we're gonna start with the passive. I believe I have uploaded a video which has touched on this briefly, so I hope you guys still remember about it. If you do not remember what is passive transport and active transport, please watch that video first and then you continue with this video. Okay, so let's start with the passive transport. Passive transport can be categorized into another three. The first one is simple diffusion. The second one is facilitated diffusion, ada bantuan, and the third one is osmosis. Okay, just based on this diagram alone, diffusion, simple diffusion, the substance can simply pass through the plasma membrane. So we're gonna take a look at this one. The definition is here. Random movement of solute from a region of higher concentration. Look at this. Dia ada lagi banyak solute berbanding di bawah ini. So from higher concentration to lower concentration through selectively permeable membrane. Ini adalah membrane. Membranenya select. Bukan semua solute boleh sebarang masuk. Adakah perlukan energi? Jawapannya adalah tidak, sebab dia passive transport. Okay, so we'll look at the second one. The second one is facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion adalah tadi dia boleh masuk je kan, boleh diffuse across the plasma membrane. But now we gonna ask help from transport protein. Ini pun ada sudah dekat video yang lalu. Satu kita panggil sebagai, adakah di sini? Ni nah. Satu adalah channel protein. Satu lagi kita panggil sebagai carrier protein. Okay, kalau channel dia ada liang, the solute can simply pass through the pore and then go to cytoplasm lah. But this one, dia akan melibatkan perubahan conformation. Conformation bahasa lainnya adalah shape. Tapi jangan guna term ini ya. Kita akan guna change conformation sahaja. Jadi untuk yang ada liang ni, usually kita guna ions ataupun water. But then when it comes to carrier protein, we're gonna use glucose or amino acid. Alright. And then the very last one, this is the concept of osmosis. Remember, when it comes to osmosis, it always has to do with water only. Water only. So from the definition, it's a net movement of water. Nampak sini, water by diffusion. Water always diffuse. Walaupun kamu boleh cakap water transport ke apa kan, tapi gunalah the term yang betul, which is diffuse. Always remember, water will always diffuse from higher water potential. Water potential bentuknya macam ni. Okay, water potential to lower water potential. Okay, ini, konsep ini tolong ingat sampai mati. Ingat, lower concentration of solute. Okay, solute ini boleh jadi gula ke, garam ke, any solute lah. So, bila lower concentration of solute, water potential mestilah reverse. Lower solute, higher water potential. Is that clear? So, in this part, nampak dekat sini, solute-nya lebih tinggi. So, water potential lebih rendah. So, water potential kena lah lalu dari tinggi ke rendah. Tinggi ke rendah. So, the water will diffuse from the left part to the right part. That's why, selepas beberapa minit, air akan lebih banyak di sebelah kanan ini. Boleh? So, that is osmosis. I'm gonna make a new video about the effect of osmosis. I'll see you on that video. Take care and bye.